Hello yan. Let's go guys. Uy, neon movements. Mulot muna ako ng coins. What are these? Okay. Nasaan ba? Wala na. Napagod. Ayaw na tumakbo. Out of order. Uy, daming coins. Ito. Uy, paldo. Paldo, what? What ang daming coin. What? Para saan to? Enough with the coins, bro. Natin ano to. Use trash bags to throw out the limbs in the storage room. What limbs, bro? What the fudge? Teka lang. Map. Ba natatanggal to? Ay, yun lang. Di nga. Ay, what are these, bro? Murder scene na agad to. Anyways, saan kita tapon to? Ay, ito. I thought I heard someone, bro. Alright. Let me just restock. Damn. Di ba dun yun? Adi. Okay. Okay, fully restocked. Or not, meron pa. Anong coin? Saan pa? Dito pa rin. I already... Ah, hindi pa pala. Iba pala yan. Saan tayo na ito? Paano ito iba to? Skip. NG. Scan their ID to open the real person's profile on the computer. Okay. The computer's database always hold verified info. Trusted. Okay, okay. Let's go! This is a gun. Ay, tutorial pa lang to. Okay. Sino yun? Hello, sir! Tingin. Okay. Okay. Clyde? Hello there, Clyde. You're my first customer, bro. Clyde Dawson. Okay. He's a sheriff. Okay. Okay, you good, bro. How do we... Oops. Wait. Interact with him. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. I won't bother you, bro. Oh, I have a gun now. Okay. Baril na tayo, guys. Hospital. Okay. It doesn't. Occupation nurse. Bald. Often wears glasses. Ba't tinanggal ko? Where are your glasses, bruh? Okay. 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 I trust you. May mahawak pa akong map. Sarap niyan, boss, ah. Oh shit, what's that? Oh, okay, okay. Alam ko, sisirain yung tindahan eh. What delivery, sir? Okay, just I'm gonna get some. Ay! Bastos! Bastusan, boss, ah. Bastos eh. Gusto ko yun, ah. Sira yung mga products ko nito. Teka, tumatawag si boss. Just down the road from your store. Our car won't start. I really don't. Okay, I will. Teka, I don't trust this guy, bro. Ayun. Okay. I don't trust this guy.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh shit, my gun is jammed. Oh shit. My heart, bro. Nabahan ako dun, ah. Inventory is full. Okay, it's done buying. Nathan. Okay. No big deal, Nathan. Nice one, Nathan. Wait, let me clean those. Let me clean this thing up, bro. I have a wife. Oh my god! Can I shoot this guy? Uy! Okay, let's go. Now what? You have 26. Oh! Pambili ng first aid pala yun. Okay, let me restock real quick. Okay, wala na ba? Ayun muna natin to. Uy! Okay. Julieta Granger. Plumber? What? Airline? What do you mean, bro? Talaga ba? What the... Linisin muna natin. Wait, sir. May, wait. Oh, saan na po? Kala ko malis. Clean this first. Andyan na naman siya, guys. Marinal ulit. Tumatakbo naman eh. Tayo rin. What the hell's that? Tatakbo din tayo. Okay, sir. Wait, nalinis ko na. Ayun pa pala. Mamaya net. Ito reviews. Ah, may mga reviews lang pala. Okay. Kevin Larson. Sino ka, boy? Insurance. Okay. Okay, okay. Often in formal wear. Okay. Tama naman. Tama. Tama, tama. Let's go. Hindi, tama naman. Good to go, sir. Restock muna tayo, guys. So, okay. Wala na ba? Who are you, bro? Bartholomew. Okay. Just wait there, sir. Okay. Let's go. Kasi. Ooh, that's a dope ass signature, bro. Okay. Circuitry and super setup. Okay. Tama, tama. Slide acne. Okay, okay. Forward head posture. Okay, okay. Tama naman. Bag na natin. Okay, let's go. Oh, my shift is done. Okay, let me just restock, bro. Wala na, no? Wala na, malinis na lahat. Let's go! I wanna go home to see my duck, bruh! May alaga akong duck. Yun siya. Paldo. Damn. Nice wage. All that for $20, bruh? Damn. Okay, let's go. Joe's Diner burnt down. The ones below Joe's Diner has been burnt down. What appeared to be yesterday night. Okay. Wait, what? Gambling, bro. We're about to gamble this. Okay, let me gamble for a bit. Ooh! Paldo! Paldo! Saba. Paldo! Ayun lang, joke lang. Hindi, panalo pa rin yan. Bukasan lang. Ooh, we got a hat? Damn, nice headband, bro. Damn, arigato gozaimasu. Wait, let me spin one more time. Yes, another one. Ooh, this thing's dope. Damn. I have no friends to play with though. Wait, what's this one? Ano? Para saan yung cola? Hindi ko nabasa ng maayos. Nagpakita eh. Anyways, may customer na. Oh, wow! Yari ka sa akin pag ano ka. Oh, this is goofy. Signature, bro. Retired and living the dream. Okay. Okay, you have a mustache. No? Dirty attire. Okay. Ito, movements. Okay, you just drunk for real. Wait a bit. No, but oh, shop. There's a shop here. Ah, ito. Feel ko. Para sa inyo. Feel ko kailangan bumili ito. Impact grenades, bro. Do I need this? Teka lang. May pera ba ako? Ayun, store balance. Freshness. Bilhin din natin yun. Baka kailangan. Ah, okay. Toy robot. I need this for real. Molotov though. Where am I gonna use this, man? Impact nades na lang. Teka lang. Okay ka na, sir? You're good to go, sir. Wait lang, nandito na daw yung truck. Ayan ka na naman eh. Bumalik ka na naman, tas iyaano mo na naman yung mga paninda ko eh. Ito pang decorate. Feel ko yun nga yun. The white does you look like that? Little bit. Nawala nga yung sadness. Gusto lang pala nun. Teka lang, lagay muna natin tong toy robot ko. Para cute. Okay, there we go. Then, uy, mamaya ka na. Tago muna kita kung may kalaban na. I'm about to restock for a bit, sir. Just wait. Okay, why do you look like that, bruh? Oh no, what? That's gay. nah, that's gay, bruh. Lang. Hindi ko kasi makikita pag di ako lumapit. Okay. Left eye, dude. Okay. Danny Boy, Daniel Flores. Always smiling, okay. Blinded left eye, okay. Alive, okay. Okay, elementary school teacher. Okay, enough holding the gun, bro. 19, okay, March 19. Tama naman. Yeah. Wala na, you're good to go, sir. Oh no! Wait lang. What happened, bro? Go outside to the back. Oh, back. Where is that? Where is it, bro? What's that sound? That's creepy, bro. Sabi ko na, nandun ka na. Bahala ka dyan. Bahala ka dyan. Hindi ka nakatababarilin. Let me gamble again. Paldo! Sapa. Paldo na naman! Bruh, I'm lucky at this. Joke lang. Enough gambling, bruh. It's fine. Enough gambling. Ay! Wait. Oh, shh! Bro, shut your stupid ass, bro. Let me clean this up now. Teka lang. Ay, bawal itapon to. Yung gun pwede. So, saan nga tayo kukuha ng map? Dito. Okay. Get some map first, bro. Let me clean all that. What's that? Mamaya ka na. Hey, you got You got any Dalton beer today? Okay. Wait lang. Mamaya ka. Ay, tatapong ko lang to, sir. Please be patient, sir. Sige, bahala ka dyan. Hindi na kita babaril. Tumatakbo ka naman. Wait, let me gamble. Bruh. Anyways, let me restock this first. Yun lang, wala na ba? Okay, Travis Dun. Okay, Travis Dun. I see you. You're unemployed. I wouldn't expect it, but it is. Without teeth. Okay, wala siyang teeth. Complete loser. somehow married. Okay, he hates you, bro. All gun. Okay, okay. I trust you, bro. The way you speak. I'm just kidding. Okay, good sir. You're good to go. What is this? McDonald's? Kalang, ba't ang daming nahuhulog na coins kahit... Wait, let me hide in this. What the fudge is that? Bro, what the hell is that? Ah, we'll eject you if you stay too long, okay. My goodness, bro. Long shift at the local diner. Bro, what do you mean local diner? Brandon Keller. Let me check you. Probably ka dyan. Nasunog yung Joe's Diner. Kamu lang nanini. Ay, kamu. Sorry guys. Oh, see? Bro, what do you mean you've been working hard? Okay, who's this guy? Just stopping. Shift at the shop. Howard and Jack? Bro, nung kala mo sinong linoko mo, boy? Howard yung pangalan mo, tapos Jack yung nasa ano mo. Magaling. Bruh, who's that? Hindi ba ano to? Ay, saan ka pumupunta, sir? Ayun. Sino to? Asan na siya? Uy, nawala. Nawala. Uy! Umalis ka dito. Halata namang doppelganger ka, sir. Wait lang. Asan na yung ano ko, map ko? Don't mind the bloody mess, bro. Wait lang. Okay. Wait lang, sir. Okay, okay, chill. Ang dumi, oh. Bag ko lang to. Okay, okay. Ito, wala naman ako sa'yo. Mukha kang ano. Mukha kang namang matino. So, let me quickly... Ryan, hold. Okay. Okay, tama. Tama. Tama ba yung mukha niya? Okay, tama naman. Hey, good to go, bro. Yeah, my shift is done. Just quickly mop this, tidy up a bit. Meron palang mga kailangan ko i-restock. Ang dami, wait lang, magre-restock muna ako, sir. Bruh, kala ko na yun. Yung map ko lang pala, buwis. Okay, sir. Box empty. Okay na yan, balikan ko na lang. Let me gamble one more time. I swear this is not a gambling addiction, bro. Paldo! Wait. Another one. Paldo na naman, sir! Uy, I didn't mean to press it, bro. Okay lang. Isa pa, isa pa. Nice one. Big! Ah! Damn, kinda like this one, bro. I wish there was somebody who could play with me, right? Ay, nako. Mas masaya sana to pag may friend na kasama. Anyways, the bus is waiting, bro. Let's go home. Day 2 is done, bro. Nice. Paldo, wala tayong napatay na human. Okay. Uy, wala pa akong pera. $38 pa lang pera ko. Official warning from net. Okay. 45 years ago was the dentist room. Nah. No way, bro. Di ba pwedeng patayin to? Okay. Do not hide, do not speak, and do not look back. Oh my goodness, bro. We can kill this thing, probably. Sabi ko na nga ba eh. Feeling ko lang. No way, bro. So, hindi ka niya tatantanan. Aray mo. Sabi ko niyo. Wisit na Norbert to, ha. Sorry, hindi ko inintay. Pinatay agad eh. So guys, continue na lang natin sa susunod. And ayun lang guys. Goodbye.